I feel so peaceful until I don't want to leave. Observing nature is showing me how to communicate without using technology.
Find out if that company has our solar panels on the way. I'm not even supposed to be out here without a helmet on.
It was amazingly peaceful out there, Moonglow. Looks like Bridget has the itis. What are you guys eating?
Veggie tacos.
Really? Vegetables do that to you?
What animals did you see in the park?
Well, I went into the thickens to imagine what it would look like if the trees were cut down.
You weren't scared?
Me? I'm the Skywalker. Exploration in space is my game.
Yeah.
If we didn't cut down so many trees, then they could live better and we could breathe easier.
Please go.
Hey, what did you get me for lunch?
Oh, before I forget, I brought you some nuts to give to those squirrels you've been feeding in the back.
We left those too.
Thanks, family.
I would have gotten you a beef and a chicken taco, but I overheard you tell Sheila in accounting that you were going vegan.
Yeah, but I told her I was going to do it on the next wave spell, World Bridger. If you're going to eavesdrop, get it right.
Oh, hush. Those vegetables won't hurt.
We are getting a lot of new members of late. Professor and High Priestess want us to give our testimonies if you're available.
Sounds like fun, doesn't it?
I'll be there.
The ancestors have really shown me how real synchronicity can be when I'm on purpose and focus. I can see how each and every one of us has shifted.
The beautiful thing is that there's always new spaces to explore. That's why I'm the explorer.
Yes, you are. And you're going to explore veganism next, correct?
And you, World Bridger, can put to death.
Okay, you guys, I'll keep the flow. I guess that's why I'm Moonglow.
Uh-oh, listen to her rhyming over here.
Eat your tacos.